What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the Bitcoin price had that strong bounce. And guys, just yesterday in my discussion, I was talking about buying at around 1,685 on ETH and BTC USDT at 43,850. Happy hunting, ladies and gents. And if you guys took that trade, you are sitting at some amazing profits right now, guys. Congratulations to all who took that trade. And guys, as you can see right here, we are sitting in some massive profits right now in BTC USD. Just about to crack 500, just cracked 500%, guys. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. If you're looking to trade like a pro, reach out to me today. I'm happy to take you guys on as soon as I try to take as many as I can, because guys, let's be real here, I won't be able to take them forever. So reach out to me while you can. And guys, there's a lot going on in the price action today. Let's dive right into it. Be sure to subscribe and like. All right, guys, so as you can see right here, I was telling you guys to buy in the discussion right here, and if you guys took that trade, you guys would be up some massive percents right now. Okay, right here from base to top. If you took it, I've actually made this video a few times. The first time I made this video, if you're up, you're gonna be up 10% already with 10x leverage. That's 100%. But guys, if you're even holding till now, you know you're up over 80%. Holding strong, guys. You know, this was just a massive trade. I even put it in the discussion so you guys could chase it, and anyone who did is sitting in a massive profit. But if you didn't take the trade right there, there was a little bit of chop, but here was your confirmation here at 44.9 that you could have taken that trade, guys. Okay, we broke through resistances, we formed another wedge here, and guys, I'll just be transparent. I've actually had to shoot this video 3 times today. Like my video is just not working right, so bear with me. I'm a little exhausted at this point. I'm on my second hour shooting here. But basically some big gains going on right now. And guys, it does look like we are having a bull flag being painted right here. Okay, but we are getting a little bit of breakdown, a little bit of a touch here. So the EMA 20 is being touched right here. We had a bounce off a wick, so that's a good sign. I think we'll end up pumping up. If we do have a bull flag painted here, we will be pumping up, before the end of the day, maybe even. Definitely by the end of the week, we will see 50,000. Okay, so that's just very exciting, guys. These are biblical times in cryptocurrency, easily. Now, guys, out of the descending wedge, we have the target up here at 50,000. So again, guys, I think we'll hit it. We just have to be patient here and wait, okay? But if we're going to get a reversal, you'll see it when we get across through this EMA 20 here, and you'll notice a lot of negative volume pressure, as well as maybe even a few bearish engulfings or just negative signs showing the pressure is reversing. Okay, but right now all we have is this, and it does look like a bull flag for now, but the second form is starting to form. So we got to see kind of just where this forms out. But again, the time of the first video looked like a bull flag, and I think we'll still pump up. And BTC definitely has a lot of momentum going for it right now. Guys, let's check out Ethereum. Okay, same situation in yesterday's video I was talking about, and in the discussion I was talking about buying right here, guys. If you took that trade, same situation, 7-8%. Time I first made the video, basically 8%. So target basically nailed up here, guys. And I think same situation going on here. Bull flag possibly being painted, and we are getting a little bit of a bounce off the EMA 20, so we kind of see how this forms out. But right now does look like a bull flag. Okay, guys, so again, let's see how that plays out over the next few hours to see. We could be forming some kind of ascending wedge. We could be forming, several things. It's kind of building right now, but definitely targets were hit over the last few days, guys. These are some epic gains. Congratulations to all who took the trade. And let's check out Doge. Okay, guys, so Doge still having massive pumps up. Guys, basically I drew this triangle back, big when the Doge pump happened, and I drew this projection of where the target could be. And what's very nice is the target was actually, I actually sent this to my buddy right at the triangle, so hopefully this set his mind at ease. Doge definitely having some good times. I actually bought in at the quarter of the triangle right here, and I'm up over 136%. So guys, that's awesome. Now guys, if we do get a breakdown, we could end up all the way back down at 0.003. That being said, we have a lot of bullish momentum right now and a lot of support right here. So again, I'm going to widen this just a little bit just because, you know, we have a lot of touches right in through here. Definitely a wide berth here on the support, but I think we do have a lot of it and we could end up a little higher easily. Okay, guys? So that's what I think is going on with Doge. We definitely have to break through these resistances, continue this trend upwards, and you have to be aware of now a potential breakdown, which in all honesty, guys, it could be happening right now. So just keep that in mind. Over the next few days, be watching to see if we break these supports. Okay. Wanted to go over Ren. Congratulations to all who took the Ren trade, guys. I got some more right here, as I said I would in one of my last videos. You can go back to the videos and find it. It's like 3 videos ago. I was talking about Ren buying right here at under 0.8. I got in at 0.74 again, and I'm very happy I did. I'm sitting up over 30%. Okay, guys, these are epic times. We ran back into that resistance there, and we probably are going to get a little pullback back towards this line again for the 3rd time. And if you do, guys, might be your last opportunity to buy Ren under $1. Mark my words. Last opportunity to buy Ren under $1. Okay, guys, Phil also having a good pump here. We got an asymmetrical triangle forming right here. Again, not super clear. We're only on the 15-minute scale. We could get a little bit of breakout, but we did measure from here to here. If we do get a breakout, we could end up touching right back up to where this top is. Now, again, we could measure from there to there, in which case the target would be much higher. But again, guys, you know, I think Phil's going to get another big pump. But be realistic, guys. We've already pumped up big time. So be realistic with yourselves buying this coin. Understand there is a risk we could get a breakdown back down to these levels. Okay? Okay. We got SNX. Okay? SNX following this channel very nicely. Basically, all of these red line buys you could have been buying and going, you know, getting a solid buy in here, guys, sitting up massive percents. So from there to there, even 57%. From there to there, 41%. From there to there, 38%. And if you bought the dip like I first told you to, you're up 130%. Congratulations to those who took the SNX buy. And what's going to happen, guys, we're just going to be teetering around in here. We definitely have some resistance right here. Okay, right in through here. And we have some more support. But again, nothing super clear. Okay, guys, it's not very clear here. When something's pumping up like this, there's not too much to read. You kind of have to play it as it goes. So, for instance, when a pattern forms here, I hope you guys will be the first to know, but we kind of have to watch to see where this is going, to see where it forms out. We could be forming a wedge. We could be forming a triangle. Got to see where it forms out. Moving right along, CRV. Same kind of situation, guys. We have a lot of support and resistance going on right now, but another massive pump. So guys, we got to kind of see how this plays out right here. Same situation here. We just have a lot of, you know, let's see how it plays out today just because of the way the charts look. Okay, so for instance, if we break above this resistance here, we could easily see this moving up towards 4.2 in CRV, which would be a very good move for CRV, which would continue this trend that we've been on for many months. Okay, guys, and I think that's definitely going to happen, especially with the confirmation of a much higher price up here with a wick. So I think easily we're going to do something kind of like this, and then before you know it, be up at that target as well. So again, that's not a target or projection. That's just something I've picked up. I think that we'll end up seeing these higher prices just because we already seen them in a wick. Okay, so that's a little trick there I'm looking at. AAVE, guys. With these all-time highs or where we're at right now, you know, I was talking 150 by mid-year. We're already 530. They're talking 1,800. I mean, guys, it seems crazy, and I'm expecting a pullback, okay, to be honest with you guys. Just in reality, we could easily come back down here, okay, and I just measured that from the, base of the wedge here. So from there to there, and that's if we get a break. But we don't know how long this will play out, and it could just keep going and tighten up. Okay, so let's see how this plays out, where we get the break, whether it's there, or we just keep pumping up. I mean, this thing has been pumping out of control, guys. So again, but ascending triangles usually do have a breakdown to the downside or a consolidation to the right. Okay, guys, so that's what I think will happen right there. Let's check out storage. Okay, guys, storage looking beautiful. Okay, guys, massive pumps up to new resistances, breaking old resistance, now turned into support. We're above the ascending wedge here. So again, if we can hold this wedge line, that's a whole new thing going on here, and it's like another leg up. We'll be above $1, you know, before month's end if it continues this trend. But we got to see again how this one plays out. There's the current support resistance. Again, we have to see how this one plays out a little bit. We definitely have a lot of bullish pressure. We have the EMA 20 away from the EMA 55. We are hugging towards the top Bollinger Band, but look how wide this is. You know, guys, we have a lot of expansion going on right here, so volatility. But for instance, I don't think we're going to get a big breakdown right now. For instance, I think we're going to kind of hold up here or hold in here, this area up in here. So that's what I think is going on with storage. Oh man, so many coins to go over, guys. It's crazy. So again, this is the third time I've shot this video, so I'm being kind of quick here, guys, just because I've done this twice, 3 times today, and I got students prepared for it real soon. Okay, so again, another ascending wedge going right here. We have a lot of resistance up here. That's what we're bouncing off of right now, but also support. So we're going to be teetering around in here. We could be getting some kind of wedge forming, you know, something going like that. Okay, that white. We could have something going like that in the short term, in which case we will break down and test resistance again, or test support again. But we could easily break up as well. We kind of see how this plays out. As it tightens up, we will see a movement. But understand these triangles do tend to break to the downside right here. But again, we do have a lot of bullish momentum, and we're in a bull market, so we could break up very easily, guys, very easily. If you're looking to buy this coin, look to buy it at these supports, okay? Any of these supports. Theoretically, if you're looking for the safest buy, don't buy it till the purple line. If you don't hit the purple line, you don't buy it. Okay? Simple, simple. Uni. Definitely a coin I've been looking at. I tried to get some more at 17. I put in the buy order, and it actually dipped down below where I put in the buy order. Just never filled, sadly, so that sucks. We would have caught that trade even at chasing. You know, we'd be up 20-some% already. That's an excellent trade, and I think Uni's going to be up at $40 mid this year, easily. So, and then if we see a pullback, we could easily be retesting these support lines right here, guys. And in which case, again, an excellent buying opportunity. Uni looks great. And guys, Electroneum having a great pump out of this triangle here. Okay, target nailed. Look at that, guys. That is awesome. Now, what we have going on here is the sloppiest triangle I've basically ever seen. I mean, it looks ridiculous. To be honest, guys, this isn't a clear formation yet. As I said, I've made this video a few times today. That's why this is already drawn out like this. But I was just saying, you know, this isn't very clear yet. This could end up being a wedge. This could end up being several different things. With this kind of volatility, it's impossible to make a read. Okay, so we kind of have to see how it plays out in the next few days. Maybe we could get something like this, you know, break down, and then, you know, maybe a break up again. And it would be nice to see it break up past these highs and continue this trend. If we were to force a trend line, you know, it could be something like that. But again, guys, it's too early to just tell. We got to kind of play it by ear. Okay, guys? So let's just kind of play that by ear, see what happens here. Again, we will probably pull back a little bit, but we will probably pump up to the right side here. Okay, now that would again be really good. And let's just zoom out real quick here. I have a lot of people interested in Electroneum, that's why I'm taking a little bit extra time here. But think back, we got to go to the daily. Okay, but think back, you know, for when the pump up to ascent, we do have a lower low, we do have a lower high, lower high, lower high. So guys, you know, we could still just consolidate a little bit here. For instance, just something like this, you know, just moving to the right still, moving to the right still, and then, you know, pump, moving to the right still, something, you know, something like that. It could continue that way for a while. And then as the coin economics, as I always talk about, start to pick up more, remember, we're only in like year 3, then you're going to start to see some major pump, okay, guys? And as you can see here, we did have a lot of volume recently. So, guys, you know, Electroneum's getting more attention than it, you know, is getting credit for, that's for sure. And I think over time, the people that are holding are going to be very happy they did. I have a lot of people that are very bullish on Electroneum, and then I have a lot of naysayers who got in basically above these levels and are not happy. Guys, if you bought in above these levels, you didn't buy in at a good time. You should have been mining prior to that. Okay, you should have bought in any time in this area here. These are buying times. Okay, so understanding when proper times to buy and how to appropriately attack cryptocurrency is very important. So again, guys, we kind of just have to see how this plays out a little bit. We got to see exactly where it goes. Okay, so let's see if this triangle remains solid here, and then we get a breakout. But again, we got to see how it plays out. But keep an eye on the EMAs. Keep an eye on where the candles are at in the Bollinger Bands. Keep an eye, on the Stoch RSI or the MACD, so you can see that very clearly on how to read it. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. I feel like I've said this so many times today. It's just because I've shot the video a few times. But guys, these are just great times in cryptocurrency. If you want to learn to trade like I do and make some serious gains, guys, reach out to me at bitcoindestar@gmail.com. I'm taking students like crazy right now. And let's be real, guys, I'm not going to be able to do that forever. As my page grows, as I get more and more students, I'm going to hit a limit. A limit I can do sanely, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to take on too many people where I can't give you guys your individual attention or attention that you guys deserve. And I'm only going to be able to take so many of you guys. So reach out to me as soon as you can. Get scheduled in. Learn to trade like a professional. Make the gains you guys deserve. I'm making gains every single day. Some days I'm just, I'm not working, and I'll just trade for fun. I'll be like, yeah, I'll just open a trade. Just because I know how to do it at this point. And that's the beauty of understanding money and leverage trading and trading in general. Once you know what to look for and know what to see, it's just making money. I'll never work a desk job. I'll never work a 9 to 5 again. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, guys. So I would love to give you guys that gift, and reach out to me. I'm happy to help you guys. I even take investors as well, but I'm leaning more towards students. I'm getting burned out on investors as well. Guys, it's so much. It's really getting busy. So again, reach out to me as soon as you can. We'll get you scheduled in. And what you can expect to learn is just how to read the charts, how to make calls on your own, how to do things on your own. Okay, that's the goal. So, if you're giving me, I always suggest 5 hours for new students. I take $100 an hour. I've had students go way over 5 hours. They're just happy to hear calls. They're making money. They don't care about, $100 an hour. It's really nothing. And in all honesty, guys, if you don't have a lot of money at all, trading might not be for you. If you can't afford to learn, you're not going to be able to afford to make make money or have losses. This is something that you guys have to take very seriously. This is your money, and something I try to share with you guys readily is I don't share things with you guys unless I'm doing them myself, and that's something you guys can always count. So basically, if you get wrecked, I'm getting wrecked too, and my win ratio is in the 90s, which means I don't get wrecked very often. I've never been liquidated, for instance. I have taken trades and loss. It happens, but in general I use stop losses, and when I don't, I'm very confident in my buys. There's so many ways to attack the leverage market. There's so many ways to attack trades, and understanding it is just pivotal, guys. So just reach out to me. Take it very seriously. Be patient with me. I'm getting slammed. I'm getting flooded, and guys, I'll just be very transparent. The students who are just going straight away with 5 hours, you guys have the right idea. Okay, you guys have the right idea. You're taking it seriously. You're diving right in. Those are the students I'm looking for. The ones who are really interested in learning the ropes and making the trades. And, guys, I understand, though, if you want to feel me out for an hour and just do that. A lot of people do that as well. It's totally understandable, guys. This is your money. You got to take it seriously. And, guys, just understand I will be taking you very seriously as well. My goal is for you to become a self-sufficient trader and make money all the time. And guys, that's all I have time for today. Again, if you're looking to become a student, reach out to me at bitcoindestar@gmail.com. And that's all the time I have for today. Remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I try to make it as easy as possible for you guys. And all you got to do is ride that wave. Guys, I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.